Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing citrus washing gloss soap from Chemicalguys. We're going to be applying it with the foam cannon today. Now it's recommended that you use a 2-bucket system, one with the soap in it, one with just water to wash your mitt so you don't cross-contaminate and scratch your car. But it's so damn cold out. We're only going to be using 1 bucket, and today we're going to be using 4 ounces of it because Chemicalguys claims that if you use 3 or more, it will strip the sealant and waxes off of your paint to give you a clean slate. Now we know from my last clean slate product video, the clean slate didn't take off the Armor All ceramic coating. So the ceramic coating is still active on the BMW. We'll do a close-up video of that. You'll see the water beading and sheeting off the paint. And then we'll go ahead and spray it. We'll scrub it with the mitt, wash the mitt. We'll do it like they recommend. And we'll see if using 3 or more ounces of citrus washing gloss will actually give you a clean slate to re-wax, reseal, and rework your paint. So let's go ahead, let's do a quick montage of the water beating on the car, and then we'll set up the soap rinse pressure foam cannon. I like this one because the container's clean. We'll put 3 or 4 ounces of soap in it, and we'll see how effective it is at stripping off the wax. As you can see, after several months, or a couple months at least, the Armor All sealant is still effective on the paint. And on the windshield, here's the citrus washing gloss. See it on the hood. Water just kind of beads off. The trunk's getting a little bit more I would say wear on it, probably due to the sun. Alright guys, let's go ahead and load this foam cannon up and see if it can actually strip off this Armor All sealant. Alright, so when you initially buy your citrus washing gloss, it's going to come split. So you're going to see on the side here, it's going to be wax and liquid. So you want to mix up the product very well to where it just becomes a nice consistent neon yellow from the top to the bottom. Make sure you remove the sealant plug if it has it. And then each squeeze is about 1 ounce. We're going to try to squeeze 4 ounces into this. Guys, so I removed the plug like I said earlier in the video. Let's go ahead and squeeze 4 ounces. 4 ounces felt like more like half the bottle. What the fuck? Anyways, guys, as you can see, the cold water and the wax is breaking up. So let's go ahead and get the foam cannon put together and get it mixed. It might be too cold to be using this product here. As you can see, it's still splitting in the water. Now I did use warm water, about 40 degrees out here today. Let's see if we can get this to, looks like as well as we're gonna get it. I probably put more than 4 ounces in, dumbass, but you know what guys, video context only. It don't matter if I use the whole bottle. I'm trying to just review the product. So I get a lot of people who are commenting like, you use too much lube. Well, if you know, you can never use too much lube. But oh, you're using too much gel. You're using, like, I'm doing it so you can see it on camera. And if, all right, let's go and get the pressure washer hooked up. My hands smell like lemon. And let's go ahead and spray the car and see how it foams. All right, guys, we're gonna go and shoot the car with the citrus washing gloss. This has probably 5 or 6 ounces in the bottle. It's pretty cold out today, but we're gonna go and spray so you can see how thick the foam is. So you can see how thick the soap is with the citrus washing gloss. Alright guys, as you can see, the foam is nice and thick on the car. Has a nice slow drip down there at the bottom. as gravity pulls it all down and starts removing some of the contaminants from the vehicle. We're using the Citrus Wash and Gloss Hyper Car Wash soap. Recommended you only put 1 ounce of soap for just regular washing, 3 ounces to start stripping the wax and sealant off of the car. We're gonna go and finish washing the car and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, the wash and gloss from the Citrus Wash and Gloss, using more than 3 ounces, you can see how it started stripping off the Armor All ceramic spray on the hood. Didn't remove it from the top or the trunk, but it definitely removed it from the hood, at least this portion that I washed with the mitt. Rest of the car is still coated, still beads, still nice and shiny. As you can see in the video, it did foam up pretty well.